time for school.
Ugh, I hate school.
Okay, class, it's time for German.
Ugh, I can't believe Leo isn't here today. I'm so bored.
Was is what? Someone use it in a sentence using German. Was? Das mache ich nicht. Ich hasse dich. Kayloo, you used it in a sentence correctly, but that was very rude.
I will open my Chromebook.
Close your Chromes, 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 close your Chromes.
Not dead. Just knocked out.
What's up, John?
Shut up, Daily. Shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up. Okay, class, we will learn about the quadratic formula.
Close your Chromes, 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 close your Chromes. Close your Chromes, Chromes.
I hope the tornado doesn't get me.
Your homework is page 20 to 21 in your packet.
I hope the kids are having fun at school. Kayloo, how dare you skip school? Kayloo and Rosie, how dare you guys skip school? That's it. You're grounded for 43235432354857209348570293486095483760934750992 3 years. Go to your room.